Even though I lost the competition, nobody could pass up this opportunity to go for a swim off the southern tip of Tasmania.
What's been your favourite thing about the walk to get here? This bit.
Then when I get back, I get beers.
How many beers are you going to have?
At least one.
At least one. That's a beer, not beers.
After spending a couple of days exploring the southern tip of Tasmania, we then headed through the ever-changing scenery towards Strathgordon. After a near miss of patrolling, we headed for camp. We found a nice spot to stay for the next couple of nights on the edge of Lake PEDDER, just out of Strathgordon. Leaving Strathgordon, we then headed over towards the west coast and visited some waterfalls along the way. A couple of weeks on the road and Nick could hardly resist the opportunity for a quick shower.
Absolutely beautiful spot.
Leaving camp the next day, we then headed out to MAQAURIE Harbour to drive up the beach and check out the lighthouse. Leaving the shelter of the harbour behind us, we then headed up the rugged west coast.
The joys of four-wheel driving.
found this very beautiful windy spot on the west coast to spend our final night just north of Conical Rocks before heading back inland.